How to fix Discord account limit problem. You need to open up your browser, and a browser you want to search for Discord support like this, okay? Once you search for it, click on the first option. It'll take you to this page. From here, just click on submit a request. From over here, you just want to write help and support. Once you write that, you need to enter your email, whichever email you used when you created or is linked with your Discord account, just type that over here. From here, you want to choose technical support, and from here, you want to choose account settings. From here, you want to choose in which platform you use Discord. So I use it on my Google Chrome, so I will choose that. And over here, limited account error. You want to write that. And over here, you want to write the description like, hey, Discord staff, I have this limited account error. Can you help me fix it? Once you write it like this, and over here, just tick mark this and click on submit. And then Discord is going to reply to you on whatever email you wrote over here. So keep checking your email and Discord staff will help you fix your issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.